What's going on? This is Markie Williams, and welcome to my channel. Regarding online certification courses, allow me to break down these courses and what they consist of. This is a channel where you can learn a new skill set or brush up on an old one. Continuous education and improvement should always be priority if you want to stay current in your field of work and plus get paid your worth. So let's get started. Repetitive tasks that are a staple of entry-level work. AI is currently top pickings when it comes to such roles, and companies aren't going in reverse when it comes to hiring a warm body. As AI become more integrated, which is also requiring a redefinition of what an entry-level role even looks like and the types of skills that might be needed now. So it's very critical for new graduates to make sure they are exposing themselves to all the different kind of AI and learning how to utilize it properly for employment. Over the past 2 years, there has been a 400% increase in employers using AI in job descriptions, according to Handshake. Liya Palagashvili, a labor economist at the Mercatus Center at George Mason University, told CBS MoneyWatch that jobs with low barriers to entry are being swallowed by AI. She points to a 2024 study by researchers at the University of Chicago, Columbia Business School, Purdue University, and Stanford Graduate School of Business, showing that generative AI is weighing on hiring in occupations that require little education, knowledge, or training. Due to an exposure to generative AI, any job requiring lower levels of skills or training is top pickings, and that's why we are seeing a reduction in hiring. By contrast, the study found that since the release of OpenAI's chat in November 2022, demand for workers in occupations requiring a higher level of knowledge and training has risen. The latest empirical evidence shows hiring is down when it comes to low-skilled occupations, but high in those that require a higher skill level. Removing out certain professions while breathing life into new sectors has always been the way when it comes to new technologies shaping the labor market. One difference with the rise of AI that the technology also excels at job functions typically associated with white-collar work. The acceleration of AI could eventually push more young people into vocational trades that don't require a high-priced college education. When automation that began in the 1970s, a lot of manual jobs have gone away. For a few generations, it was considered that white-collar jobs are more safe, whereas blue-collar work is more precarious. There's been a cultural push towards sending their children to college, but it might make more sense these days to go into the trades. What are your thoughts? Comment below. Many thanks for taking some time to check my tutorial out. All the links will be in the description below. I also have a website up and running, which is also Markie Williams Online Certification Courses. Please subscribe so you won't miss out on any trending certification courses you may want to pick up, and comment below and I will reply back. You can check me out on Facebook under Markie Williams, and there I also have an online certification page where you can like and follow as well. Please make sure you check out these thumbnails as well that's floating around right here. And always remember to get paid your worth. Many thanks. It's Markie Williams, and I am